You may ask me, what about the presentation? Let me tell you something about the presentation. I strongly believe that what you learn is important, but how you learn is more important than what you learn. The word how makes all the difference while you try to learn to speak in English. As you know that subject becomes easy or tough, interesting or boring based on the way it is presented. Under the sun, the English language or the grammar part is the same for all. It is not going to change from person to person, but how it is presented that makes all the difference in your mind while you try to learn to speak in English. Innovative methods always help the learners learn anything in an easy manner. I strongly believe that creativity is the essential ingredient that makes any teaching more effective and influencing. Innovative methods, tools always have great impact on the minds of the learners. That is why in this particular course, I have chosen an innovative method to impart English instruction in such a way that it will be easy for you to understand and grasp the essence of every lesson. I'm sure that the video lessons that were shot in a high quality, impressive text animations, graphics, creative video clips that I have used in the lesson presentation are going to create a great impact on your mind while you are trying to learn to speak in English. These graphics, video clips that I have used are going to get all your attention throughout and help you pay full attention. Your complete attention is going to make the subject very easy and understandable. You can easily understand every part of every lesson without any confusion, because effective learning happens only when you are involved with your eyes, ears, and in particular, your feelings. Once you are emotionally connected to the subject, I'm sure that it's going to be the easiest task for you to learn and to speak in English. Now let me tell you something about the lesson presentation, how I made in this particular course. Every lesson is divided into various parts and presented to you in a step-by-step manner. Every lesson you start with a navigation guide that gives you an overview of the lesson which you are going to learn. This navigation guide creates a lot of enthusiasm and curiosity into the lesson that you are going to learn. At the end of every part of the lesson, you are going to have a creative visual presentation that helps you register everything that you will have learned by that particular time. Once you are thorough with one part of the lesson, you can get on to the next part of the lesson. Thus, you complete all the parts of the lesson in a step-by-step method. Once you are done with all the parts of the lesson, you can see the summary of the lesson with wonderful graphics and visuals which will help you get the gist of the lesson at a glance. I am for sure that every lesson, and for that matter, every part of the lesson is going to leave you with a great and wonderful experience of learning spoken English. This systematic arrangement of the lessons and their parts will help you get grips of the language in a short span of time. It will help you grasp the essence of every lesson in an easy way. And at the same time, you will not get unnecessary doubts while you are watching the video lessons. I have presented this course in two ways. The first one is English to English, and the second one is bilingual. That is, English and Telugu where I used. If you feel comfortable with English language, just watch those videos in English. But if you are not that much comfortable, you are unable to understand certain things, then you can also choose another version, that is English to Telugu. You always have this option. You can choose either English to English, or you can also choose English to Telugu.